Okay, I'm gonna do number 8 now. It's me, Gabriel. Okay, so this is what number 8 gives us. And okay, let's start off. Um okay. Um Personally, I'm a little bit confused as to which method I should use um to solve for this IVP. Um One thing that I'm kind of noticing is that it is kind of still in this form of dy dx equals p of x times like q of y kind of a thing. Um, it's not in like our form 2 or anything like that, but um, there's no functions inside of a function really. There's no the thing that's throwing me off is the y to the third. Um, but there's no other y, right? If there was like y plus like y cubed or something like that, then I would think to do a Bernoulli or something like that. If there was like, um, if there was something like this, but there was like an addition or something like that. I I want to say that this is just like separable and kind of simple. Um, but well, let's try it out. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna give that a shot. Because yeah, I can move this y over, move this x over, and it doesn't interfere with like anything in the function. So let's just do that. So 1 over y cubed if we divide out the y, dy equals x um, times 1 over this mess. Let's just, oh, sorry. X over this mess. Let's just rewrite that as, let's just, well, I don't know what's worse. Yeah, let me actually just keep it for now. Let's do just x times 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, that's definitely reasonable. Yeah, this looks like something we can do, so I'm gonna just integrate. I'm just gonna stick this on both sides. Cool. And so y to the negative 3 dy. If we do that, it's just gonna, just add 1 over 1. So that's just gonna be y to the negative 2 over, it's gonna be 2 like such. No, it's not. It's gonna be like this. Yeah. Yeah. That makes much more sense. Okay, equals the integral of x. Okay, now I'm gonna rewrite it actually because it's looking a little funky. Okay. I think I don't know how to solve this. Okay, yes I do. If I do, yeah, let's do that. It's a product rule, but it's actually not a product rule because that's not true. It's a u sub. I should just do that. Let's do the thing that we want to get rid of is the u. So x squared plus 1. And then our du is just, oh shit. Our du equals 2x dx. So what we can do, you can do just u to the 1/2. And we have our x dx. So that's the same as just saying that part right there over 2. So we actually have that du over 2. Cool, like that, like that. We're still integrating, obviously. Yeah, we can pull some things out. 1/2, great, because that's just a constant. And then we're just gonna get the integral of 1 over u du. And the integral of that is just, so now what we're gonna get is just 1/2 2u to square root plus c. These cancel out. And then, oh man, how do I adjust this? Square root of what our original u was, which is just what we wanted to get rid of, x squared plus 1 plus c. And we get this 1 over negative 1 over 2y squared. Okay, so this is like step 1, kind of. Just taking that. But we still need to kind of simplify some things out and make things better for everything. So let's solve for c. So we have negative 1 over 2y squared. So 1/2, negative 1/2 over y squared equals x plus 1 plus c. I'm actually just gonna plug in y0 equals 1 because I just want this to move kind of easily. Damn, I keep losing myself. Okay, so negative 1 over 1. And then this equals the square root of 0 plus 1 plus c. Negative 1 equals square root of 0 plus 1 is just the square root of 1. Square root of 1 is just 1 plus c. So if we just subtract that out, we just get negative 2 equals c. And so in our final form of the solution, here we can like tidy that up a little bit. So we can just do 2 times this whole x squared plus 1 plus, oh, it's going to be plus 2c actually. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see. Yeah, if we want to get rid of that negative 1/2, we should just multiply it by that 2. We distribute the 2. It's going to be 2c. But still a negative y squared. So I guess if we just multiply the whole thing by a negative, things could turn out cool. I don't know if that's even necessary, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. This is the general solution, but we did solve for c earlier, so x squared plus 1 plus, in this case, well, plus negative 4 is what our answer is. Let me just circle that for you. But yeah, that's just like show all my work. That's, oh, let me snooze this alarm. Yeah, I think this should do it.